Hi, welcome to my Matlab tutorial video. As for today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you an animation about the convolution process in time domain. In my previous video, I have given you the explanation about the convolution theorem, and at the same time, I have shown you two different examples for the convolution in time domain and in frequency domain. Okay? If you really want to appreciate this particular animation, you have to understand first about the convolution theorem. Or this animation also can help you to understand more about the convolution theorem itself. Okay, let me run first the coding and animation, then I give you a brief explanation on what's going on. Okay, as you can see from here, your left hand side, this is the convolution process which have take place. It's already finished, it's already done. This is our time domain signal, noisy time domain signal YA. This is our impulse response for the low pass filter, okay, where the window size is equal to 48, and this is our output from the filtering process. Okay, it's quite hard for you to imagine how does the convolution take place. So if you notice here on the right hand side, this is the convolution process which is taking place. This is our input signal, the noisy input signal that fed into the impulse response window. Okay, every time we have a 48 number of input, okay, convolve with the 48 number of impulse response, we're going to get one output as our result. Okay, you can see from here. Okay, we are getting our result every time the input signal pass through the impulse response of the low pass filter. Okay, as you can notice here, this is the signal, the blue color signal here, and here is the same. This is the continuous domain for the whole signal, the building up, and this in the form of a discrete, the impulse response. Okay, here you can notice this is in form of time domain and also the time domain, but here I let it go, or I put in the form of discrete. Okay, the phone number of sample. Okay, because when we do the processing in the computer, okay, what we're going to happen, we're going to convert the analog signal into discrete or to digital signal. Okay, that's why we're going to process it sample by sample. Alright, as you can notice here, this output signal here is the same as here, but there's a small difference at the ending and also at the starting. Why we have this particular glitch here? Okay, this is because in the starting of the convolution process, we are only going to have only one input signal. Other input signal here haven't arrived yet, so all going to be 0. Okay, so wherever 0 that multiply with the impulse response, okay, we're going to get a 0, so the only one value going to be present. Okay, that's why we have glitch here. Okay, because the complete input set is not arrived yet. Okay, after one input arrived, after that the second input arrived, the third input arrived, and so on. It haven't complete yet, so that's why we have a glitch here. The same thing happened in the end of the process. In the end of the process here, okay, what's going to happen? Okay, let's say we only have one sample here, the input signal. All the input sample here going to be 0 because the signal already finished. So whatever 0 that multiply with the impulse response, we're only going to left with the, okay, this incomplete results here. So that's why we have a glitch. So in this particular portion here, I eliminate the starting portion and also the ending portion you're going to see later. Okay, that's why we have much smoother signal here. Okay, alright, anyway, so I'm going to restart back the animation so that you can watch it from the starting. So hope you enjoy. Thank you so much to visit my Matlab tutorial video, and hope all of you have a nice day. If you have any question, you can post on my comment. Thank you so much to visit my Matlab tutorial video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.